What's up, Tiggy? What you want? You just wanna cuddle with your mama. Right now his mama got conjunctivitis, or her eye is swollen. I'm a little worried. That eye right there is a little swollen. I mean, I'm supposed to put like apple cider vinegar with water, and if y'all got any suggestions, let me know. What's up, Tiggy? What's up? What's up, big butt? Huh? What's your attitude? I mean, he's alright. Tiggy's cool. He's always bullying his brother. You know what I mean? Anyways, that's pretty much it. What's up, Tiggy? What you want to do? Want to be ballers, shot callers, brawlers, even dipping in the bins? I don't know. Whatever. Alright, my G. What's up, Tiggy? What's up? My poor cinnamon, that's his mama right there. That's your mama right there? Huh, cinnamon? I mean, Tiggy? What's up? I love you too. I love you too, Chunky. What's up with your mama? Poor baby. What up? You good? You love your mama? Poor baby. You love your mama. Alright, baby. Alright, y'all. I thought he was going to do something cool, but I mean, he's cool. Oh, there it is. There it is. What y'all been waiting for. Huh, Chunkies? Back to mama. Cinnamon, you okay, mama? I love you. Poor baby. Alright, Tiggies. You want to say something to the people before I turn it off? You want to say something? No? Okay, Chunky. Bye, baby butt. Bye, Cinnamon. We out. I mean, I thought we was out. Okay, now we out.